Welcome to KidsTuneEd.
It was a bright morning in class, and something exciting was about to happen. Tomorrow, bring your special homework project. The best one will win a prize. Alum whispered proudly. I'll win for sure. My football project is amazing. Grace grinned. I painted a rainbow. It's colorful, not perfect, but I love it. Hannah giggled nervously. Uh-oh, I think I forgot to finish mine. Peace just smiled calmly, as if he already knew something special was coming. The next day, the classroom buzzed with excitement as kids rushed in with their projects. But suddenly, Hannah's voice cracked. Oh no, my project is gone! The class gasped. Everyone started looking under desks and bags. Then Peace pointed. Look, it's under Alum's desk. Classmates whispered. Alum took Hannah's homework. But Alum froze. He hadn't taken it, yet it looked like he did. Alum's heart pounded. Should he stay quiet or speak up? If he said nothing, maybe they'd think it was just an accident. But if he told the truth, everyone might laugh at him. Grace gave him an encouraging look. Peace's eyes were gentle. Peace whispered softly, the truth always wins, Alum. Alum took a deep breath, courage rising inside him. This was his moment to choose honesty or hide. Alum stood tall and spoke clearly. I didn't take Hannah's project, but I did see it fall yesterday. I should have said something. The classroom went silent. Even the clock seemed to pause. The teacher's eyes softened. She smiled gently. Thank you, Alum. That was very honest of you. She added, honesty means admitting even what we didn't do right. Then a shy voice spoke from the back. Actually, I moved Hannah's folder when I cleaned my desk. It must have slid under Alum's table. Gasps filled the room. Alum was innocent after all. Hannah rushed forward with a big smile. Thanks for being honest, Alum. That was really brave. Peace nodded wisely. See? Telling the truth isn't always easy, but it keeps trust strong. Grace clapped her hands. And next time, Hannah, I'll help you keep track of your project. All laughed together, classroom fills with warm golden light. They all high-fived, their friendship stronger than ever. The prize didn't even matter anymore. Honesty was the real win. Remember, kids, the truth always shines brighter than lies. Always choose honesty. Being honest, even when it's hard, makes you brave and helps everyone trust you. The truth always wins.